yeah, that was the most craziest day of my life. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, or vlog. We're going bowling, and this place also has go-karts, so I don't know, we might do this too. Bunny, bunny, bunny. One of my aunt's friends, like they went to this place called Boondocks, which is where we're going right now, and the person like putting in their ticket number, like after playing all the games you get tickets, after putting them all in, they messed up and she got like 300,000 tickets, and that's like, you know, if they have a gaming console, that's how much. I think she's giving us like 50,000, so we could probably get like a drone or something. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Guys, I'm in the car alone with the keys. Right now there's like 270,000 tickets on the card. When we go to check out, they're probably gonna like question us, like, how do you guys have that much? Because I think the most valuable thing there is probably like 50,000. I can't wait. I miss him.
A caramel macchiato with coconut milk. Okay.
We're gonna suck it down before we get out.
No, it's the bigger one.
Well, if you don't want it, Xander, I'll eat it.
I can't eat it. Maybe she thought I was a baby or something. Hey, don't crash.
Make me spit it out of my mouth.
Don't crash. How old do you think she thought I was? Like 5? 5?
Sarah, can just get a little bit of fruit snack. Oh my God! He grabs the fruit snacks and like throws it. I mean, we are crying, laughing.
We have unlimited plays, so we can do like laser tag and stuff all day. No, these things are the best. These things are the best. Oh, I can't believe I lost Brooklyn. Go-karts. They even have wings.
Okay, you do one, you get one, do a second. I'm gonna kick you off both.
I was gonna go eat.
Oh, it's just one.
Oh yeah. Dude, that's better than what. Fail.
That's it. That's it. What if that striked? That's what happened with me. You still have one. Brooklyn got a strike and I wasn't recording. You're not going to go again because you got a strike. Brooklyn's beating all of us, you know. That's what happened. At 17 points, 13 to 9. Oh, okay, here. Oh, Brooklyn. Oh, it just knocked out another one. Oh! Oh! Spare! GoPro. It's like,
You guys are gonna get your little stupid stuff on.
yeah. And then, yeah, Inky Overdrive, that thing right there. It's at 22,000 points. But the action cam for skateboard, I'm so happy about that.
So he said.
Yeah, I'm getting nervous. Nothing's gonna happen. They're just gonna be like, whoa.
Yeah. 271,395. Yeah, I can tell.
Okay, we're not gonna use all of it though.
Sounds good.
We want the peace sign first.
Alright.
Dude, we're so bad at acting.
Like how many times did you come down?
A long time. We're not using it all today.
Wow, that's awesome.
Got a lot of fans.
Like we remain.
Is that for real?
Everyone is like, whoa, 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 you guys got 300? Yeah, the black one. I see.
Alright.
And the last thing is the overdrive car.
Overdrive.
Thank you, Overdrive. This is gonna make my skate park time so much easier.
Oh, you didn't want it. It's probably all melted.
After like 30 minutes of arguing and stuff.
Arguing. Oh my
I'm
god.
talking to the people. I got this. I didn't get the overdrive thing though. There's an Aston Martin right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. For some reason today I feel like that was gonna happen. Someone just rear-ended us. Oh, first crash.
And it was not my fault. Someone just reared ended us. It was not Mom's fault. Someone else did, like really hard. Yeah, but we can't drive the car to California, and I don't think we could get home. Well, we can't get home.
I'm gonna get out.
Get pictures. Okay. Well, the people who made us are
You guys okay?
Yeah.
You guys good?
Yeah.
No,
We were at Sonic.
I was at
We heard
Sonic.
it.
I heard it. What happened? He merged over too fast?
no, I think he just plowed into us.
Oh. Everything's okay though?
Yeah.
You guys are fine?
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day. Well,
Thank you. We just went to the auto parts to fix the tire and the whole axle's messed up. I know you've been in a car accident, but I haven't.
That was a powerful jolt.
You know, something like whenever someone gets in a crash the same day, they feel like they know what's gonna happen. And for some reason today, I felt like that was gonna happen. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad the airbag in the back didn't go off. Oh gosh, I hope I get to go to California in time. Today has been the most craziest day in my life.
First you get called a little man.
Your neck hurts?
My head.
Oh.
You know, and my neck. I
now that
haven't
you
yet.
say it.
I just,
Well, yeah, that was the most craziest day of my life. Like, I know that car crash wasn't that serious, like Tanner Fox's. Guys, please, leave a like. Let's go for 25. Roll the outro.